Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today, join me as I unbox the succulents that I bought online. So I've seen a post of a seller that sells 50 different succulent varieties for only 170 pesos. So kumbaga, talagang since right now I'm trying to restart my succulent collection, nagtry akong bumili online. So it comes in this insulated bag kasi it's actually winter here in China, and syempre pag magta-travel siya, baka mag-freeze yung mga succulents natin pag wala siya dito sa insulated na bag. So medyo maliit lang naman yung box, so I'm not really expecting na malalaki yung mga succulents. Of course, since it's only 170 pesos for 50 pieces, talagang nag-expect ako ng mas maliliit na succulents. But as long as parang different variety siya, okay na din siya for me. So let's try to unwrap them one by one. So napaka-simple lang yung kanyang wrap. So parang tissue paper lang siya, and hindi talaga siya uprooted, guys. Talagang makikita ninyo may mga soil pa siya. Sometimes intact pa yung pinaka soil, and I really appreciate yung effort nila na naglagay sila ng mga names nung specific succulent. But then since naka-Chinese siya, syempre hindi naman natin maintindihan, diba? So we're just gonna trust, or kumbaga check our knowledge on our succulents, kung ano nga ba yung mga succulents na ma-receive natin. So join me as I unpack all of these succulents one by one. And we are finally done unpacking, and I didn't really count how many succulent varieties did we actually receive, pero looking at our tray, mukhang almost siguro or around 50 succulents yung nandito. And what I can say is that hindi naman siya ganun kumbaga ka-uncommon. So most are actually common succulents. May mga nakahalong several or konting-konting uncommon succulents, but overall, okay naman siya kasi very healthy yung mga succulents. Some of them are actually dehydrated, but that's completely okay, and most of them comes in their original pots. So I think itong mga succulents na to are grown in parang mga small seedling pots. As you can see kasi yung iba talagang intact pa yung kanilang mga soil. So, I'll be giving you another update next time once na naitanim na natin sila. So, Merry Christmas everyone! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.